Hi boys and girls, I'm here to help you with the work for Wednesday, April 22nd. So your first page in the packet looks like this. I would like you to write your name on it just so that we don't forget how and so that we can keep practicing and getting better and better. The more we do something, the better we get at it. So I'm writing my name, Mrs. Higginson. And this page says size sort. Oh, and the smiley face means that we're doing this one together. So here it says box 1. My directions at the bottom of the page. Let me see if I can make it not blurry. The directions at the bottom of the page say draw small balls in the first ball box. And you don't have to use colors, but because I have markers right here, I'm going to use mine. So first means box 1, and it said the word small. Remember, small is the math word for little. Other words that mean the same are tiny, itsy bitsy. There's some smallish balls. The next box, box 2, our directions say draw large balls in the second box. So large is the math word for big. Another word for large would be huge, ginormous, gigantic. Can you think of another one? Maybe you can tell a grown-up near you another one. These ones are small. These ones are large. I wonder what's going to go in box 3. I bet you know. Draw medium-sized balls in the third ball box. Is that what you thought? So I need them to be bigger than this and smaller than this. I think that works. I'd say that those are in between. Those are medium. Good job. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Let's turn the page. This is what our next page looks like. It says get on the road, and it's a patterning page. So again, I'm going to ask you to please practice writing your name so that we get better and better at it. Go slow and careful. You can pause the video if you need more time, if it takes you longer. Oops, I made a mistake. See, even grown-ups make mistakes. Okay, so I will read you the directions at the bottom of the page. The bottom of the page says, help the car get to the garage by following the triangle circle pattern. So I'm going to use a pencil for this just in case I make a mistake. That way I can erase it. So I'm going to start with triangle. So I'm looking at the car and I'm going to find the first triangle around here. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 pointy vertices. Is this a triangle? Nope. That looks like a diamond or a rhombus that has 4 sides. This is a square. Another square. There's a triangle. So I'm going to color in my triangle. Now at the bottom of the page I can look again. It said triangle and then circle. So I'm going to color the circle next to the triangle. So my pattern is going to repeat. Remember, patterns repeat like a song. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So after here, triangle, circle. What comes next? If you said triangle, you're right. Triangle. Let's see what happens in our song. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Good job. Okay, I'm going to ask you to pause the video right now and do the rest, looking for triangle and then circle, triangle and then circle. I'm going to pause and do the rest of mine while you do yours. Okay, I finished mine. I want you to double check and make sure yours looks like mine. Watch where the car goes. Check yours. triangle, circle, 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 and then it got to the garage. Yay! Okay, flip it over. Again, I want you to practice writing your name at the top, and this one also has a smiley face. That just means that we're doing it together on the YouTube video. So I'm going to write my name, you write your name at the top. The title says The W Tree, and it shows you to circle. It says circle each W. I'm going to use my marker so that you can see, but you can use a pencil if you would like. Is this a W? No, that's an X. Is this a W? Yes. Is this a W? Yes. Is this a W? Nope, that's an A. Is this a W? Yes. Is this a W? No, that's a Z. Is this a W? Yes. Is this a W? Yes. Is this a W? Yes. Is this a W? No, that's a B. Is this a W? No, that's a K. Is this a W? Yes. I want to remind you that a W looks a lot like an M, but they're going the other way. So this is a W, and this one is an M. They look like each other upside down. So we're going to look for these, not look for those. All right, we have one page left before we get to our cutting job. Turn it over. I didn't write a spot for your name on here. This says Rainbow Write, has a smiley face for us to do it together. And these are the directions for your grown-ups. The directions for your grown-ups say use crayons or markers or colored pencils or whatever colors you have to trace the letter W 5 times with 5 different colors. So I'm getting out my colored pencils. I'm going to choose 5 different colors. You can get out your colors. You can choose 5. And I will show you with my first color how we trace the W. So when we make a W, we start up here, straight line down, pretend like there's a stop sign. Your pencil can stay there, but it stops. Straight line up, stop sign, straight line down, stop sign, straight line up. So you can leave your pencil on the paper the whole time, but you have to remember your stop signs. Do you want to see what happens if we forget our stop signs? Okay, I'll do a little one down here. If I forget my stop signs, that's what my W's look like. And people might not know that they're W's. So remember to do your stop signs at the corner. I'm going to push pause so I can do 4 more colors. I already did 1 color. I need to do 5 colors total, so 4 more. You can push pause and do your 5 colors now too. Okay, I finished my rainbow writing. Did you finish yours? What colors did you choose? I chose like a dark purple, a blue, a pink, a green, and an orange. And then I colored my watermelon too because I love watermelon and I love coloring. So that's all for in the packet, and then we have one cutting page to do today. It looks like this. Put it away is the title of it, and it looks like laundry baskets. Do you ever help put laundry away at your house or help sort laundry? My kids, it's their least favorite chore, putting their laundry away. So if you need a minute to find this page, it's at the back of your packet. You can ask a grown-up for help. You can pause the video and then come back to us when you have it. So I'm going to write my name at the top. I want you to write the name at the top, your name at the top of your paper too. And at the top of our paper, you'll see there's a smiley face, which means that you're doing it with me on the video. And there's a star. The star means it's a cutting page. Will you tell me what is on each basket? What is on this one? Yes, they look like pants or jeans. What is on this basket? Yes, a shirt or t-shirt. And what is on this basket? Yes, it's a sock. So your job is going to be, you can cut off the whole bottom of this page, but you need to leave the baskets on. And then you're going to cut out on the dotted lines the squares for each of these items. So you're going to have 5 squares when you're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pause my video while I cut mine out. I want you to pause yours while you cut yours out. Okay, I cut out my 5 squares with clothes on them. And I also colored them because I love coloring, and I wanted to see if it made a difference with our sorting. So I'm going to put all the pants in this basket, all the shirts in this basket, and all the socks in this basket. Oh, and I didn't grab my glue. Let me see if I have my glue right here. I might have to pause the video to get my glue. So I'm going to start with my pants. Now, even though they're not the same color, is that still where they go? If you said yes, you're right, because we're not sorting by color. We're sorting by what kind of clothes they are. And they are both pants. They're all pants. So those go there because they're pants. Now I'm going to do shirts. Those go there because they're shirts, even though they're not the same color. I'm not sorting by color, I'm sorting by what they are. And, oops, this guy got left out. I have one left. He's a sock. He goes over here with his match. Now, if you left your sock white, would it be okay to put it in this basket still? If you said yes, you're right, because we're not sorting by color, we're sorting by what kind of clothes it is. So to glue them on to make sure they stay in the right spot, I'm going to pick one off and remember in my head where it came from. Put glue on it and then put it back down where it came from. I'm going to do that with the others. If you have your glue, you can do it too. And once you're done gluing, you're done with your jobs for today. If you didn't color yours and you want to color them, you can always go back and color them after you glue too. Alright, there's my sorting page for clothes. Have a good day.